Python, a versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability, serves as a powerful tool across diverse domains. Today, we revisit fundamental Python concepts to strengthen our understanding.
Let's start with variables and data types in Python. Variables serve as containers for data, and Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't need to declare variable types explicitly. We have basic data types such as integers, floats, strings, booleans, and complex numbers.
What's the significance of these data types?
Each data type handles different kinds of data, allowing us to perform specific operations efficiently. Moving on to control structures. Control structures, like loops and conditional statements, are vital for decision-making and repetitive tasks in Python. If, elif, and else statements control program flow based on conditions, while, for, and while loops repeat actions until conditions are met or exhausted.
Functions in Python encapsulate reusable code, enhancing modularity and readability. They consist of parameters for data input and return statements for data output.
Functions are crucial for breaking down complex tasks into manageable parts, promoting code maintainability. Now, let's explore file handling in Python. It provides robust capabilities for reading from and writing to files, using modes like R, W, and A for different operations. Moving to data structures, Python offers lists, tuples, and dictionaries for efficient data organization. Lists are mutable collections denoted by square brackets. You can modify their elements directly. Tuples, on the other hand, are immutable sequences enclosed in parentheses, useful for storing heterogeneous data elements. Dictionaries are unordered collections represented by curly braces, mapping keys to corresponding values.
Algorithms are step-by-step procedures for problem solving. Let's consider bubble sort as an example of a sorting algorithm in Python.
Object-oriented programming in Python revolves around classes and objects. Classes serve as blueprints for objects, defining their structure and behavior. Inheritance allows classes to inherit attributes and methods from other classes, promoting code reuse. Encapsulation bundles data and methods within a class, maintaining data integrity. Abstraction hides complex implementation details, exposing simplified interfaces for interaction.
Exception handling in Python manages errors and unexpected situations gracefully, ensuring robust and reliable code.
Functional programming concepts in Python emphasize the evaluation of functions and support features like higher-order functions and lambda functions for concise and expressive code. Python's libraries and frameworks, such as Django for web development and NumPy for scientific computing, extend its capabilities across various domains. By mastering these foundational concepts, developers empower themselves to tackle complex problems effectively using Python.